This is Russell Heights. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Just left from Barbican Road and now we're on Russell Heights. Russell Heights, of course, runs into Cherry Gardens here in St. Andrew, Jamaica. I do hope you will enjoy this one. As always, as you can see on our right, construction ongoing. In recent times, quite a few apartments and townhouses have been constructed here in this area, Cherry Gardens area. Great House Way on our right. Carol Close on our right. Still here on Russell Heights. Quite a few speed bumps here in Cherry Gardens. Upper Melwood Avenue on our right and Melville Avenue on our left just now. Basically, we're at the end of Russell Heights. I'm going to make a quick turn and head back onto Russell Heights. Now we're on Shortwood Road. Cherry Garden Drive. Markway on our left. Okay, this left onto Millwood Avenue. Heading back onto Russell Heights, straight ahead. Again, more construction happening here on our left. We're back onto Russell Heights, heading back onto Barbican Road in that direction, just to show you what it's like from this side of the road. Oh, I should mention, this video has been recorded December 2022. You know, the landscape continues to change. So this is what it looks like in December 2022. Carole Close. On our left, believe it or not, is the home of former national, well, not former national hero, national hero George William Gordon. I'll try to show you a better view of it in a few. Let's do this quick turn. That's it, straight ahead. George William Gordon, national hero of Jamaica, one of seven, once lived here. Back onto Russell Heights, of course. This house on our right seems to be abandoned. It has been in that state for some time now. All right, that's it for Russell Heights. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Right now I'm turning back onto Barbican Road. Do share your thoughts in the comment section. What are your views on Russell Heights here in St. Andrew? Always a pleasure hearing from you. Until next time, do take care.